Hi everyone, welcome back to Juanita's Create. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got 1000 subscribers in 2 days. Like, I saw this video somewhere. I just came across the video on YouTube. It was I'll put her name on the daily tips, Bookie daily tips, right? So I saw it like few months ago. I was really skeptical. I was like, oh, there they come again. I watched the video and everything. She explained it very well, but I was just like a doubting Thomas. I didn't want to try it. But something said, well, this is YouTube. Just try it. There's no harm in trying. You can try it and you might have the subscribers, and what will you lose if you try it and you get the subscribers or you don't? I said, well, there's nothing to lose. I just told myself that, you know what, let me try and error. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got 2000 subscribers in 2 days. I am extremely excited. So let's just go right into the video. Don't be like me, or don't be a doubting Thomas. Whatever I'm going to show you now, if you really are interested in getting subscribers, do it. Don't be a doubting Thomas. Do it, and you never know, it might work for you. It worked for me. Like, it was like magic. So you type in Prosperity X. Apparently, it has two channels. You go for the one that has 174,000, right? Of course, you subscribe, you view the channel, and then he has I can see he has 5 videos, right? You go for the popular ones, and let's try this. The one I tried this one. Then you click on the circle here, then you collab, you drag it to 60 seconds, that's 1 minute. You put wherever you want the thumbnail to be, just drag it, play with it. You click on next. When I was doing it in my mind, I was really doubting. Then you mute the mic so that your expression, whatever you're saying, is not coming to the video, just the sound from the video. You click on start. Then you just react, smile, surprise, just basically reacting to the video. And yeah, I use this particular one. I use this one. This is not the one that gave me the subscribers, right? But I used it. So this particular one on I'm doing right now, I scheduled it. So that's why one anything when it comes to YouTube, the truth is, you never know what would actually work until you try. So this was the video Bookie used, right? That gave her subscribers. I scheduled this one, then the two other ones I used, which I will show, that gave me the subscribers. I put it immediately because that day I was really a doubting Thomas. I said, you know what, let me just do it, Kobulu. Let me just do it. Let's not be like I did not do it, right? So um I did it, and the two I posted it instantly. It started giving me subscribers and views immediately. The one I scheduled for that night didn't even move at all. It didn't go. It didn't give me any subscriber at all, and it was just very little view, maybe 50 views. So YouTube apparently didn't push that one, but the ones I posted instantly got a lot of subscribers and views. So now you go to next. Sorry, I was talking and facing the camera. Then you see it's processing. It's processing. Take a little bit time. Just exactly how I'm doing it. That's how you should do it. You just click the title. Whatever the title says is what you will type. Okay. No, exactly what the title says is what you will type. If it was okay. So the title is you are out if this is true about you. So exactly how even the what I did, exactly the title and exactly the emojis he used. So um it says guess your sibling's name, your sibling's name, siblings name. You are out or something. You are out. I put all the emojis, right? Then the very important thing, you should not forget hashtag shorts for sure. Hashtag hashtag duets, because you don't want to get problem with YouTube. Then yeah, that's the two hashtag. Then when you're done with that, you go to make sure, of course, it's not made for kids and everything. Then you click on public. Let me see, show more. You can come to this related video and put any of your video that you want them to watch after watching that one. So anyone, if you want, you can skip it. Of course, it's not made for kids. And then you now yeah, you now publish it, right? You now publish it. I don't want to publish it because I've actually used this particular video before. That's what gave me a lot of subscribers. So I used this video and one of the other Prosperity X video, and um yeah, you publish, and that's it. So me, I'm just gonna discard it because I don't want to use it. I don't want to use it because I already used it. So when you publish it, that's it. And what I did, as soon as I published this one, I published another of the video, the one that has more videos, has 1 million views. I no 5 million views. I used that one, so I put it instantly because that's to show you I was really a doubting Thomas. I said, you know what, you know how they'll say space it, don't do it immediately and everything, or some people will say you can't, some people say you cannot do it at intervals. So I just did two at once, and then the one I did, I scheduled. I actually did three of his video. I used three of his video. I collabed with three of his video. I scheduled one. The one I scheduled that day at 9 didn't do jack. I don't think YouTube, the algorithm didn't even recognize that video. It was as if it was only 20 or 50 people that watched it. But the two I posted instantly was just going. Like, it was like I was blown away. I was amazed. I was like, what? This is for real? I was like, Monita, you have to stop being a doubting Thomas. So, guys, if you want to do this, you can try it and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it. And let me know if you've already tried it and how many subscribers did it give you. Because it gave me, in fact, let me go to, what am I doing? Let me go to my analytics and show you what it has given me so far. 1032. But before I did this, before making this video, it was around 1000. So let me go to the video itself. I posted instantly. That's what I want to show you girls now. Okay, Teens Kids Very Much Hit Edition. It gave me 700, like 728 subscriber. I'm like, it's unbelievable. I'm shocked. Like, really? And that was even that day I got up to that amount that day. Then that same day I got 200 and something, but now it's at 266 and counting. That's like how many? It's over 1,000 and it's still counting, it's still there. So you know the thing I would say is, if you're going to be trying this, after you get your desired subscriber, because the daily tips that said it, you said when you get your desired subscriber, you leave it. Of course, when you get your desired subscriber, if you're aiming for 1K or 2K or 3K, as soon as you reach your goal, you delete the videos so that you won't keep getting subscribers, and then they probably might not watch your long form. It's shorts. People are interested in short video, and then if you put long form, they might not watch. So as soon as you get your desired subscriber that you want, you delete the videos and then focus on your long form. At least you've reached that 1000 threshold for YouTube, because to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So you know that yes, you've done that, and then you can delete the video, so that then you now concentrate on your long form. So I don't know, I'm so excited. So let me know, guys, if you're going to be trying this method, and leave it in the comment section. In all you do, let's keep growing. And this is YouTube, let's keep trying different things. So far it's something you like. I believe that the sky is big enough for every one of us. It's really big enough, so we can all make it on YouTube. We can all be happy. We can all cash out on YouTube. So guys, I wish every one of you the very best, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and try it and let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this. And all you do, let's all keep growing. Bye for now.